Yeah. I think I just snapped it. Alright, hey guys, so we got the 253 in the VK now. Got the carby all on, we just haven't done up the studs and shit on it, and we haven't got the gasket for it, but we'll get that all done today probably. And we need to swap the brake booster, put the radiator in, put the starter motor in, and then it is all pretty much ready to start up. So we'll be showing you that in this video, so I hope you enjoy. Alright, so we got the starter motor, now we just need to bolt it in. Alright, so we got the starter motor all bolted in, but you need better bolts because the bolts we're using are not long enough. So we're going to need to go buy these bolts, get some longer ones so they can tighten up fully, because we don't really want to lose starter motor. No, just fitting the radiator in. It was sitting here, but the bottom two plug bits won't fully sit in. It's the same spacing as the 6-cylinder one, but we just gotta fit it in, and then we can connect up all the hoses. Alright, so now we're gonna be putting the extractors up on, because we're gonna just do that for now before we go to the shop and get bolts for the starter motor, because we just all may as well. Just finger tightening all the bolts to the extractors, and we can tighten them up. Put these on because we can still get the starter motor on once we go to the shop and buy the bolts. That's all. Those all done up. Just finger tighten them now, and we can properly tighten them. And then we get the starter motor bolts, put that on, and I think we might actually have to buy a new water pump as well. It's not too bad. And then the car is pretty much ready because we got all the radiator in. We just got to connect the rest of the hoses up once the water pump's on, and then we're all good to start this bad boy up and get all the timing right and just get it running all good for when we get the tail shaft, and then we can actually drive it. And once we've run the motor in, we can actually see how much better this thing is with a V8, which will be quite a lot. And it will sound very nice, it'll be a nice cruiser. Alright, so we'll tighten those up now. Alright, so because the gearbox is further forward, it doesn't line up with this properly, so we're gonna have to get a VN one, because we think they're adjustable both ends, and we'll be able to match up all the gears to the where it says. Makes things easier. We can't actually go up all the way to get into park, because we'll be in fucking reverse or something like here. But yeah, we'll have to fix that as well. Alright, so we've got all the bolts tightened in on the extractors, so now we just need to get the bolts and the water pump from the shop. Alright, well we just need to quickly drive down to Coventry's, get the water pump, the gaskets, the bolts for the starter motor, and then we can rig all that up, and then we just need to get the other side of the extractors. We might have to lift the engine because the squeeze is too tight between the steering arm and the motor, so we have to lift the motor up and get it through, tighten it up, and then drop the motor back down onto the again. Alright, so we'll just go into Coventry's now. Alright, so we're here at Covs, ready to get the parts. Alright, so we've got the water pump in here, the new one. Now we just need to get the bolts for the starter motor. Bunnings, and then we're going to go around to Super Cheap and get the extractor bolts, and we'll head back home and put it all together. Add 2 ovens here. Wait, does that go on the top one or?
Yeah.
That's the longer one, isn't it? Fuck, and sockets just flying around the joint. This one too short, isn't it?
They're all have to be long, do they?
Because it's in, but it's not tightening.
Yeah. It goes right through to the engine. And the extra long one should go in there.
Oh, this one doesn't have a fucking washer. Wait, it does. There's another one. Yeah. I think I just snapped it. Alright, so this bolt here that was in here was too long, and we over tightened it, so it fucking snapped in there. And I over tightened it, so it bottomed out and snapped. I don't know if you'll be able to see in there though, but yeah, it snapped in there, so we have to take the whole timing cover off, pull that out, and fucking do it again and get another bolt. So we'll have to show you that too.